Accounts payable is not a top of the mind recall for most CEO or business owners. However, ignorance of proper management or re-evaluation of the accounts payable processes can negatively impact business operations and controls and result in increased transaction expenses for the business. Timing is a critical factor for determining the viability and longevity of a growing business. Although we all know that cash is king, many small businesses overlook the critical importance of monitoring and analyzing their cash flow, especially their accounts payable. Accounts payable management is an area where companies often struggle to maintain and manage a plethora of different accounts. Given the overall diversity and quantities of varying supplier accounts, it is often challenging to manage the process and ensure that it has been optimized for the best possible outcome. The Efficient Payables Management tool helps you achieve the following goals: accurate tracking of what is owed to suppliers, ensuring payments are properly approved and processed, providing precise information on accounts payable to produce an accurate balance sheet, nurturing positive relations with suppliers, researching ways to save money, managing credit purchases. Some of the benefits that you could receive after successfully implementing this tool are: completing AP process efficiently, improving accuracy and reducing errors, saving money and optimizing cash flow, monitoring compliance and process control, minimizing fraud, budgeting expenses. The Efficient Payables Management tool has 8 sections or tabs. Cover page, Introduction, Feeder enter invoices, Feeder record payments made, Output scheduled payments, Output dashboard, Lists. Action framework. Let us look at each section. Cover page outlines the purpose of the tool along with the goals and benefits that you could achieve from it. The Introduction tab explains each tab along with the steps to use the tool. Feeder enter invoices tab is used for entering the vendor invoices by collecting the basic information such as invoice date, invoice, vendor or supplier, terms, and amount due, with the due date calculated automatically based on terms selected. Feeder record payments made is used for recording the payments for invoices raised towards various vendors by choosing the correct invoice number. All the other columns except for amount paid will automatically be populated with the information for that invoice number. Output scheduled payments sheet will list all your invoices, sorted from earliest, including overdue invoices to latest due date. Once an invoice is paid off, it will appear grayed and crossed out. Output dashboard sheet is fully automated and helps visualize the data better. It will give you a quick overview of what is coming due in the next 30 days. Action framework provides a set of guiding principles that could be used for fostering and implementing better payables management. Do make use of all these offerings for better and efficient payables management.